Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete or clean up all unnecessary files present in the system drive of any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the File Explorer. So I've installed the Windows operating system on the C drive. So this is the system drive where you have installed the Windows operating system. So in order to clean up or delete all the unnecessary files present on this system drive, what you need to do is, if you're using a Windows 11, then just select this system drive and you can click on this three dot icons, and now you'll see your cleanup option. And if you're using an older Windows operating system, then just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for disk cleanup. Now you'll see here disk cleanup, just click on it. Now select your respective drive. So in my case, the C drive is the system drive. After that, just click on OK. Now you can see here disk cleanup for the system drive has been showing up. So you can see here below all the unnecessary files that you can clean up or delete. So let me select all the files. So kindly note, if you have some files present in the recycle bin, then you can just untick it. So right now I'll just tick it, all the options. And if you want to clean up more system files, then just click on this clean up system files, click on OK. So now it will show more options. So let me select all the options here. So I've selected all the options. So you can see here this unnecessary files is consuming this much of space in my system drive. So once I clean up, I'll get this much of free space. So once you have selected, just click on OK, click on delete files. Now it will perform deleting. So have patience until the complete cleaning is done. So finally the cleanup process has been completed, and now you will see the increased space on your system drive. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily delete or clean up all unnecessary files present in the system drive of any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.